Tokenization, the very first step in any NLP pipeline. What is tokenization? Simply put, tokenization means breaking down text into smaller units, called tokens. These could be sentences, words, or even characters. Think of it like this. If text is a paragraph, tokenization is like breaking it into individual Lego blocks that you can analyze separately. Let me show you with a real example. Here's our input text. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries. Machine learning powers modern applications. Now, if we apply sentence tokenization, we get sentence 1, artificial intelligence is transforming industries. Sentence 2, machine learning powers modern applications. Great, but we can go deeper. If we apply word tokenization, we break it down even further. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries, machine learning powers modern applications. Now we have individual words, tokens, that algorithms can actually work with. You might be wondering, why bother tokenizing? 3 key reasons. Number 1, it simplifies analysis. Instead of looking at huge paragraphs, we focus on individual words or sentences. Number 2, it enables feature extraction. Want to count word frequency? Tokenize first. Want to convert words to embeddings? Tokenize first. And number 3, it's the foundation for everything else. Language models, text classification, machine translation, they all start with tokenization. All right, let's see this in action with Python code. We'll use NLTK, the Natural Language Toolkit, one of the most popular Python libraries for NLP. First, let's import our tools. Notice how sentence tokenization properly handles abbreviations like doctor and question marks. And word tokenization, it even separates punctuation marks as individual tokens. That exclamation mark becomes its own token. Now, here's something cool. NLTK isn't the only game in town. Depending on your use case, you might want word punctuator tokenizer, aggressively separates all punctuation. Regex tokenizer, use custom regex patterns for total control. Spacey, industrial strength, blazing fast for production systems. And for modern language models like BERT or GPT, they use subword tokenization, breaking words into smaller pieces like planging or unbreakable. This helps models understand word structure and handle rare words better.